us, what did you do in kindergarten?
We did some work.
And what was the work about?
I read story at the work table, and I watched, Eric's sister.
You worked with Eric's sister, and what was the work about on the paper?
And
Are you okay? Go ahead. Thank you.
Hey, I had those.
I know, but don't get off track. What was your work papers about?
We did a lot, and that was it.
No, what was on the paper? Were there pictures on the paper?
Yes, and we drew and we colored them.
What were the pictures of?
A burger and cheese whiz. That's it.
A hamburger?
Yes.
A burger and a...
Seahorse and...
A seahorse? Oh,
and,
uh-huh.
And ladybugs and, a bumblebee.
Wow. And you colored all of them or only some of them?
Colored them, all of them.
What do they have in common? Seahorse, ladybug, bumblebee, and a hamburger?
Yes.
Huh. I'm trying to figure out what this assignment was about. Are they doing a special letter?
Yes.
What letter?
Letter J.
Letter J. Oh, for jumping. Or jelly beans.
Jumping and jelly beans.
Uh-huh. Good girl.